Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a high catchy selling gig that will get you more impression and also CTR, click to rate. So for you to do that, you first have to identify your skills. Like I am transcriptionalist. I'm expert at transcribing audio and video files. Either it may be lecture or anyhow, and in two languages, either French or English. So for you have to identify what you are expert at. So if you are a graphic design, so you have to look for graphic design, something you have to explore Fiverr to find type of graphic design you can do. If you are a e-commerce developer, programmer, and so on and so forth. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Fiverr gig. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is go to your Google Chrome. So here's my Google Chrome. Next thing you have to do is now, you can see this is a mobile view of the site. So you can't create your gig with mobile view. You have to create it in desktop view. Yeah, so you have to go to these three dots at the top of Fiverr or at top of Chrome browser. You click on it. After that, you will see desktop site. So you click on it. So wait for it to reload. So next thing you have to do is, okay, that's finished loading. So you click on this button, create new gig. You see this, so create new gig. So you click on it and it will redirect you to where you will create your gig. Let me show you how it will look like, because I've already created the maximum. The maximum you can create on Fiverr is 6. Anything more than 6 you can create it. So you can only create 6 gigs for Fiverr. Okay, so let me okay, you can see this is how it will display when you click on create new gig. So first thing you have to do is your gig title. What do you mean by gig title? That is the name of the title of your gig. So the title of your gig, that is what you are doing, what you are selling. It means what you are selling, what you want to sell on that gig. So like this, you can see I will do web scraping and data extraction. So for you, if you want to become a graphic designer, you say I will design a high catchy graphic design, or so on and so. I will design a professional graphic design, I will design a professional logo design, and so on and so forth. So like this, I will edit this like I will. You don't have to add any I will again. You will start from there's already permanent I will. So next thing you have to write is I will. So I will, that next thing you will type it there. I will convert, let me write in lowercase. I will convert any file format, that is I will convert and change. I will convert and change any file format, any files format, or let's say. So let's just do that for now. So next thing you will do is your category. So you have to know the category of what you are doing, like graphic design. So you are doing logo design. Logo design is under graphic design. So that is your main category. So for this, I will convert file is under so I can edit this. Let's just leave that for now. Like I will do, let's do it like this. Let me restart it again for you guys to understand it very well. So let me go back once again. So you click on create new gig. Let me delete one of my gigs so that I can create a new gig from scratch. Yeah, let me delete this. Let's say delete. So I've deleted one of my gigs for me to create another one from scratch so that you guys will understand it very well. So let's go there. Okay, so my gig title will be I will convert, okay, lowercase, I will convert any files format. I will convert and change any files format. So my category will be programming and tech. So my subcategory will be convert file. So I'm using suggest category. So you can use suggest, so that Fiverr will automatically suggest your category for you. So like this, programming and tech convert file. So Fiverr has automatically suggested for me. So I can select the type of file that is. So convert to a fillable form. No, that's not my niche. Convert to an ebook. No. Convert to an editable file. So that's what I'm doing. So convert file from, let's say, PDF to doc and docx. Let's just say that. So your search tag, this means that the meaning of that search tag is that when people are searching about convert file, so this search tag will be the thing that will recommend you to that buyer that is searching for. Like example, you are adding convert file, so that's it. You write it and press enter. So that means when a buyer search for convert file, your gig will be listed among the gigs, among the search. So that first, let me add file conversion. File conversion, yes, that's another one. Let's say PDF. So when anybody search for PDF, my gig will also be among the list gigs. So let's say doc/docx. Let's say word test. That's so we can do only maximum of 5 search tag, only 5 maximum, and only use letter and numbers only. That's all for that. Then you can click on save and continue. Okay, so I'm done with the first step. The second step is pricing. So your pricing will be, you can change it to three form, that is basic. Got it. From basic, you can have standard and premium for three packages, but for one package you will only have basic, so only one package. So for here in this tutorial I will be using only one package. So the name of my package will be file conversion. So I will convert any files in less than 24 hours. Okay, you can see it now. I will convert any files in less than 24 hours. So your delivery time will be, set your delivery time. So when you will deliver that product. So your format text, format table, format image, your revision, that is, you can just set it as unlimited. So you can set your price as $10 or any amount you want to sell. So for you to do that, check that people's gig for you to understand what you are going to set. You can't just go like that and set anything, so you won't get impression. Search for people that are in first page. So that's how you edit your gig to get more impression. So now I think I'm good to go. If you see this box being checked, you have to uncheck it like this. You uncheck it, you are not having any extra fast delivery or any other additional revision. So you can continue like that, save and continue. Later you can edit your gig if you have any problem. So our next step will be my gig description. You will briefly describe what your gig is all about. So for this to be short, I will just copy from one or another person's gig for me to keep the time short without wasting many of your times. So let me copy from here. Okay, sorry guys for keeping you guys wait. Just be patient. So click on see more. You can see about this gig. Okay, so I will copy it and edit everything to meet your own demand. So just copy everything, click on copy. So going back to my gig. So save and continue. So we are in the description of fact. So let me add it, paste. So why, let me edit this, not lemon dust, adex, let's say why me. Okay, but I think we are good to go. What you get with this gig. So I'm not touching any, I'm not good at editing any picture. I don't like that stuff, so I'm removing it. Okay. Let me start from here. Okay. New to Fiverr, so I can save and continue for me to keep the time short. So next is your gig requirement. So you must add one question. So you have to require what you need to offer this service before the person create and you send an offer to that person. For him to accept it, you must require something to start, either your color, your size, your format. So I don't like editing it. Only thing I always write here is please contact me before placing your order. So that's the only thing I always add. You click on add, then click on save and continue. So your next thing is image, that is your gig thumbnail. You must add at least 2 thumbnails to your gig for it to get more impression. If you don't have any thumbnail, you must design one for you to get customer impression. If you don't have any thumbnail, you must not copy any other thumbnail. No, and you must not download it from Google Chrome. No. You must edit it yourself so that Google will not deny, Fiverr will not deny your gig. So for me, I've designed some before. I'll just go to my file manager to add it. Okay. Let me just go to my file. Okay. Let me go to, I always use Canva, so you can also get Canva. I will sometime do tutorial on how to use Canva. So here's all my design. You can see it. So let me find the one I designed for convert files. Where do I put it? Okay, let me do like this image. Let me go. Okay, recent files. Album. Just say Canva. Here it is. So convert and edit any file. Okay. Okay. Sorry, because my memory is so low, so that's why my phone is hanging. So I'm sorry. Okay. You can see now that I'm done choosing it. So these are thumbnails that I edited myself. So I'm good to go. You click on save. So then the last thing you have to do is click on publish gig. So you are done. Go back to your home page. You can see now, these are all gigs that I have. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my videos for me to post more